The major excuse which I have heard from most of the people is I don't have any people in my family to talk English to help me in improving my English. My father, my brother, my mother, my sister, nobody knows to speak English. At this time, how can I speak English fluently like you? How can I speak English confidently and fluently like you? To be honest, even I was in the same situation. Nobody was there to guide me. Nobody was there to tell what is wrong, what is correct in speaking English. Even my family was not at all good at speaking English. I'm sure that I'm going to help you. I'm going to tell you what are the steps which you need to take if you don't have any other people to talk to you in English. It's not that you should learn English only with the help of other people. You can even learn by yourself. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on The Expound. Let's get into the video. Just like everything which will come through practice, English learning is also just the same. It will come only by practicing by speaking English. So for now, for speaking English with others, we need people. But most of the people don't have this option, so they just think that I don't have anybody to guide me in speaking English, so I cannot learn English, I cannot speak English confidently. This is absolutely a myth, because I also did not have, and I am able to talk to you because I learned by myself. I learned English speaking just by myself, just by talking to myself. So you might ask that what are the steps which you have tried? The first thing is I stopped giving excuses. You also should do the same. Nowadays, giving excuses is just so simple that I cannot do this. I have these problems and I don't have these options, so I cannot do this, so I give up. So you just keep on giving yourself excuses that you cannot do this, you cannot do that. Stop that now. You should think that you can do anything and everything if you try by yourself. The more excuses you have, the less lessons you will learn, the less expert you will be. If I have thought this point that I don't have anybody to talk in English, so I'm gonna stop learning English because I can never do it. If I thought this before, I won't be standing in front of you and giving you lectures about how to improve your English. Second point is, if you think that you don't have anybody to talk to you in English, make them talk to you. Surround yourself in English. If you think that it can't happen, make it happen. You can literally make it happen. It's your life and it's your decision. It's all about how you are going to take your decision to be in your future life. It's true that you cannot make the people in your family talk in English because you yourself don't know to talk English. At this time, there are so many platforms where they provide free courses, free videos which are available. You can even check my other videos where I keep on posting videos every alternative days about how you can improve your English and several other methods through which you can be a good English speaker. And if you like my work, make sure you hit the subscribe button and then bell icon also, because that will give me a big motivation in making more videos for you. I also make videos on communication skills and public speaking, so if you want that, if you want help from that, I'm always here for you. So go and click the subscribe button. Now I want you to write down in the comment about what are the problems which you are facing when you are trying to learn English. Write it down in the comment. Third step is follow methods. It's true that you cannot simply learn anything in this world without taking risks. So if you want to achieve something, if you want to get something, you have to give something from yourself and you have to take risk. Take risk for learning. It's one life. You get one life, and if you don't take risk for what you want, I don't think this life is going to be worth it. So it's your decision. It's up to you how you can learn English. So as we all know that the 4 ways through which you can be an expert in English, that is reading, listening, speaking and writing. I'm sure that these all exercises, these all skills would have been taught to you in your school, but I'm sure that still you are not a master in these all skills even after studying in school. That is because you did not have a practical knowledge about it. You did not have a practical knowledge to speak English. Out of these 3, which is reading, writing and listening, speaking is the one which plays 50% part out of all these 3. So if you master the speaking skills, you can automatically master the rest of the skills, which is reading, writing and listening. Now among these all 4 skills, I want you to write down which one is easier for you and which one is difficult for you. 4th point is talk to yourself. Since you don't have anybody, you are the person whom you are left with. So you have to keep on experimenting with yourself. So I'm sure that nowadays you might be having internet and mobile phones. I'm sure that you will not exist in this century without these 2 things. So all you have to do is just on your television or on some of the English conversation or English interview or some of the English movies, listen to them, watch them and talk like them. Because if you don't have people nearby you, you have that internet and that mobile phone which will directly bring them to your house. So you can automatically learn from this TV programs, music and so many other stuffs. I have also told that where you can learn English from movies, and trust me, this is the method which have helped me also. I'm telling my personal opinion. If you don't have any help nearby you, this movies and the internet connection will definitely help you. And the final point which I want to tell you is that it only needs 6 months. 6 months, even 6 months is more than enough for you to learn English and speak English fluently. So if you practice all the things which I'm telling you every day, without giving a space for even a 1 day, you will learn English. You will be able to speak fluently just like me. Trust me, this works. I have personally experienced it. That is the reason why I am suggesting you. So this is all I want to tell you. I hope that this video was at least 0.00001% helpful. If it is helpful, please do mention it down in the comment that how this video is, how it have helped you. Whether did you feel some connection with me or whatever things you feel in your mind, please drop that in the comment, because I will be really glad if I read your comments, because at least I will have this thing in my mind that at least somebody is watching my video. Thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye. And believe yourself. That's all I would like to say at the end of the video.